You're back in the building with another episode, but before we get into anything, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend, watch the video. Now we're gonna talk about Hurricane Melissa make history landfall in Jamaica at category 5 storm. Also, Drake perform at vybzkartel first Canadian concert. Welcome home, we are so happy to have you, the Toronto rapper said to dancehall superstar vybzkartel.
Yo, Eastside.
Now the most powerful Atlantic hurricane of 2025 plowed into Jamaica after days of unleashing heavy rain, strong wind and pounding surf across the Caribbean. Now Melissa made landfall near New Hope, Jamaica at 1 p.m. Tuesday at a category 5 hurricane with maximum sustained wind of 185 mph. It was the first time an Atlantic storm made landfall as a category 5 since Hurricane Dorian in 2019. At least 7 fatalities have already been reported across the Caribbean due to the monstrous hurricane, which has been slowly tracking near Haiti, Dominican Republic and Jamaica for days. The death toll is likely to rise as Melissa sliced across Jamaica, eastern Cuba and Bahamas. There is no infrastructure in the region that can withstand a category 5. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said people in Jamaica have not experienced a direct strike from a major hurricane in nearly 40 years. Accra Weather Chief Meteorologist John Portner said Hurricane Gilbert made landfall in 1988 as category 3 storm, moving much faster than Melissa. The condition deteriorated across Jamaica on Monday night as Melissa approached with mandatory evacuation issue in areas where the worst of the flooding and storm surge were expected.
Look there, people, see the cars going, people, the light post. Look at people. I told you it's going, people. The whole community is gonna go, people. Look at it. Look what's happening now, people. Tap up the live, people, and share the live, people. See, that's a car.
Gusts even stronger. It is moving slowly, only 7 kilometers per hour. Experts say the storm's slow pace could bring hours of destruction once it hits. The storm's outer bands are already pounding the island. Palm trees strain and buckle in the wind, waves slam into the harbor, and the streets of Jamaica's capital, Kingston, are deserted. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says there is no infrastructure in Jamaica that can withstand a storm of this scale. His government has done all it can. Evacuation orders have been issued. Shelters are open. Hospitals have moved patients to higher floors. But many residents are still at home. Some say they fear looting. Others say they have nowhere else to go. The Red Cross says up to 1.5 million people could be affected. Coastal towns are already cut off. Relief teams are standing by, ready to move once the winds ease. The World Meteorological Organization calls this hurricane, quote-unquote, the storm of the century.
It's a massive hurricane heading towards Jamaica, and it would have a direct impact in the coming hours into Jamaica. So the winds for Jamaica is expected to reach about 200.
Right now, all we have to do is pray for Jamaica because this storm look real dangerous. There's a lot of people home have been flooded out at this moment. Let me know what you guys think about what is going on with Melissa in Jamaica at the moment. Just pray for a loved one, try calling a loved one so we can get it, you know what I mean? But I hope everyone stays safe.
And you will want more. I got the greatest.
When Drake was a teenager, he'd stand outside Toronto Long Gone Escape nightclub, handing out flyers just to get inside and lose himself in vybzkartel music. On Sunday night, he came a full circle recalling that memory on stage as he welcomed the dancehall star for his first ever Canadian concert at Scotiabank Arena. Now, let me know what you guys think in the comment box about vybzkartel dressed head to toe in Blue Jays gears, kick off the first of the 3 sold out Toronto shows at the venue, becoming the first Jamaican artist to achieve the milestone. Look at all these people right here. How much time we have spent with the man's music right here. Drake told Frenzy Crowd.
Yes. See the history of making. Oh my God.
Yes.
2 of 2.
2 of 2. 2 of 2.
Murder.
That was.
Thanks for everything, man. It was sick.
That was mad. 2 more nights.
Oh yes, I'm ready.
2 more nights.
I can almost touch my toes again.
Yeah.
I had to do that.
These replied to the nah, they were there.
Remember I told you I couldn't get up because I was resting my knees?
Yeah.
Now you
Ladies and gentlemen, Toronto, Canada. Not 1, not 2, but 3 sold-out shows back to back in Toronto, Canada. Highly anticipated. Straight vibes is what we drink all year long. Straight vibes is what we drink all year long. The moment you've been waiting for. 13 years in Bristol. Now the king has risen. Let me down, let me down. He is the king of dancehall. First time in Toronto.
Hey, we talk about this for years, man. Here.
I'm telling you, we've been talking for decades.
Yeah, man, now it's happened. Bombokla, Jizzy. Yeah, I gotta, you gotta, yes. See the history of making. Oh my God.
Yes.
2 of 2.
2 of 2. 2 of 2.
Murder.
That was.
Thanks for everything, man. It was sick.
That was mad. 2 more nights.
Oh yes, I'm ready.
2 more nights.
I can almost touch my toes again.
I
had to do that.
These replied to the nah, they were there.
Remember I told you I couldn't get up because I was resting my knees? Now you see why. I gotta move it. Hey,
That was sick. That was a dream.
oh man, for me too.
No, that was a dream. People left on a high. Remember I told you that?
I know.
The city's on a high.
I know.
Now we just need to win game 3 and it's over.
Trust me, it's gonna happen.
Oh yeah. Perfect.
Mr. M's.
Mr. M's.
vybzkartel is finally a superstar. Even though vybzkartel been a superstar from in a jail and before jail, but he's finally outside and can travel everywhere. 4 corner earth. Big up to vybzkartel, and I like to see what vybzkartel do and the whole nation gang.
Like God showed me, conquer your fear, stay far from evil.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch, big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say, me appreciate you all on. You know what I mean? Until next time guys, we out.